How much should you actually spend on a solar-powered fan for your greenhouse? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the real differences between these 5 top options.
Product number 1, Aerifying Dual 5-inch Solar Fan. The Aerifying Solar-Powered Fan, a dual 5-inch setup, priced at $39.99. What caught my eye was the IPX7 waterproof rating and the fact it comes with 2 separate fans, each with a 13-foot cable and an on-off switch. If you want flexible airflow control in a small greenhouse or chicken coop, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual fan design lets you set one as exhaust and one as intake, creating active air circulation instead of just pushing hot air out. That's crucial in a greenhouse, where stagnant air can lead to mold or plant stress. The monocrystalline solar panel boosts efficiency, so even on partly cloudy days, you'll still get decent airflow, up to 3,200 RPM in full sun. Plus, the aluminum housing and metal protective grills mean it can survive bumps, weather, and curious animals. Over 700 people bought this in the past month, which says something about its reliability. Now, some people complained about the lack of a battery, and that's real. This fan only runs when the sun is out, so no cooling at night. Here's the thing though, most greenhouse overheating happens during the day, so unless you're growing heat-sensitive plants 24/7, this isn't a deal breaker. Just know what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you have a small to mid-sized greenhouse under 36 square feet and want dual fan flexibility without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need nighttime ventilation or have very large spaces. You'll need multiple units. For the price, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Mojeri 30-watt solar panel fan. The Mojeri 30-watt solar panel fan kit, also $39.99. What stands out here is the larger 30-watt solar panel, bigger than most in this price range, and the 8.2-foot extension cord, giving you more placement freedom. If you want stronger daytime performance and a sturdier panel, this one's got your name on it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 30-watt panel power, which translates to higher fan speeds, up to 3,000 RPM, meaning better airflow and hot afternoons when your greenhouse needs it most. The IPX7 waterproofing protects the motor from rain and humidity, and the double metal mesh keeps critters from chewing through the blades. It's designed for sheds, coops, and small greenhouses, and over 500 buyers in the last month seem to agree it gets the job done. Now, some people were frustrated that the fan slows down or stops in weak sunlight. That's true, and it's a common issue with all solar-only fans. But here's the thing, if you're using this during peak growing season, you'll have plenty of sun. Just don't expect it to work on overcast days or after sunset. This is perfect for you if you have a slightly larger space or want more power from your solar panel without upgrading to a battery system. Skip this one if you live in a cloudy climate or need consistent airflow day and night. For pure solar performance, it's a strong contender.
Product number 3, Shen Vitaso 25W 8-inch solar exhaust fan. If the previous fan's lack of nighttime use bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Shen Vitaso 25W solar exhaust fan is $51.99, a bit pricier, but it includes a power adapter so you can plug it into household electricity when the sun's not shining. That's a big deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-inch fan moves phase spare, 430 CFM at 2300 RPM, and runs quietly at just 36 decibels, so it won't disturb you or your animals. The anti-backflow valve is genius. It seals shut when the fan stops, keeping bugs and rodents out. Plus, the 16.4-foot cord lets you mount the panel on the roof while placing the fan inside. Over 400 buyers picked this up last month, likely for its versatility. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. You have to drill a 7-inch hole and wire it properly. Here's the thing though, once it's in, it's rock solid. This isn't a plug-and-play unit like the others, but that's the trade-off for higher performance and dual power options. This is perfect for you if you want serious airflow and the option to run it at night or on cloudy days. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple to hang and forget. It's worth the extra cost if you need reliability.
Product number 4, Pequin's 5-inch dual solar fan kit. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for small space growers.
The Pequin's 5-inch solar-powered fan kit is only $36.99, the cheapest on this list, but don't let the price fool you. It's packed with smart features. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses high-efficiency monocrystalline panels to hit 3,200 RPM, and the dual fans can be used together or separately, one pushing air in, one pulling it out. That creates a cross-breeze effect, which is ideal for preventing hot spots in your greenhouse. The IP67 rating means it's fully protected against dust and water, and the included mounting hardware makes setup a breeze. Over 300 people bought this in the past month, and the 2-year warranty shows the brand stands behind it. Now, some people noted that the airflow drops noticeably on cloudy days, which is expected with any solar-only fan. But here's the thing, for under $40, you're getting dual fan flexibility and solid build quality. It's not perfect, but it's impressively capable. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want effective ventilation in a small greenhouse or shed. Skip this one if you need nighttime operation or have a space larger than 36 square feet. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 5. Pequin's 30-watt triple fan kit. The Pequin's Solar Greenhouse Fan 3 kit, $42.99, brings serious power with 3 fans and a 30-watt panel. This one's built for growers who need maximum airflow without going full electric. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 3 fans and a large monocrystalline panel, it hits up to 3,800 RPM, the highest on this list, and covers up to 210 square feet. That's huge for a solar-only unit. You can configure all 3 as exhaust or mix intake and exhaust for balanced circulation. The 16.5-foot cord and full mounting kit make installation flexible, and the IP67 rating ensures it lasts in tough conditions. Over 300 buyers chose this in the past month, likely for its coverage and power. Now, some people were disappointed there's still no battery, so again, it's sun dependent. But here's the thing, if you're running a larger greenhouse, you probably have sun exposure anyway. This isn't for nighttime, but for daytime cooling, it's one of the most powerful solar options out there. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large greenhouse and want maximum solar-powered airflow. Skip this one if you need 24/7 operation or live in a frequently overcast area. For sheer performance, it's hard to beat.
So, which one should you pick? The Airifying is great for tight budgets and small spaces. Mojeri offers a bigger panel for more power. Shenvitaso wins if you need nighttime use. The Pequin's dual fan is the best value under $40. And if you need serious airflow, the Pequin's triple fan kit is the powerhouse. All depend on sunlight, so plan accordingly. Thanks for watching and happy growing.